Okay, hi. 504 gateway timeout. The server didn't respond in time. Got this morning, just couldn't get online. Trying to access BT, kept receiving this one. Okay, so what actually is that? Let's have a look. Right, just get that, clear that off. I took the image. Okay, 504 gateway timeout error. Here's how to fix a 50. What actually is one? It's a HTTP status code. That means one server didn't receive a timely response from another server. So, a problem on their side. Probably nothing to do with your own computer or device. What is a 504 error? So let's go down. Let's have a look. Note: 504 gateway timeout error can appear in any internet browser. That's because it will be on their server. Server problem. So, cause. What's the cause? Let's have a look. Cause. Most of the time, a 504 gateway timeout error means that whatever other service takes along, it's timing out. So it's probably down or not working properly. So I was trying to access BT today, and maybe their servers are down. Sounds unlikely to me, but that was the message I had, and I had it for hours. It ruined my day a little bit, but that's what happened. How to fix the 504 gateway timeout error. I fixed mine, I'm back online. Or was it they've sorted their problem out, sorted the server out? Retry the web page. I've done that many times. So you can refresh, press F5. I tried that many times. Restart all your network devices. I done that as well. You can do that, restart all network devices. I've done another video on that, how to restart from network properties. Temporary problems with your modern modem, router, switches, or hardware. So, problems with the devices. That's what it's explaining here. I don't have all of them things, just on a laptop. Check the proxy server. Incorrect proxy settings can cause 504 errors. Here's a picture of a proxy, automatic proxy setup. So you could check that. Change your DNS servers. I've done that in another video. The IPS servers. If nothing has worked, contacting the website. Search contact ISP. The 504 gateway timeout is a problem caused by a network issue that your ISP is responsible for, and that's probably it. I had a problem this morning, and it's probably what it was. Problem on their server side. Number 7, come back later. Check back with the site regularly. No doubt it'll start working again. And that's what's happened here. That's what's happened with me. I'm back online. 12. That was 3 hours later. No, 4 hours later. So I don't think there's much you can do. I don't think there's much you can do at all on that. It's a problem on server side.